So today first we are going to solve yesterday's problem. So yesterday's problem was read hours from the user and convert them into minutes. So I will be logging into my EC2 instance, which is running Ubuntu operating system, Ubuntu Linux. And you can also create one AWS account, and then you can launch one EC2 instance. You can launch one free EC2 instance. So I'm logging into this Ubuntu account using it free. Okay, and let's the what is that minute to hour to minute. So I'm writing in VI editor. I is insert. Will take input from the user. Number of hours equal to number of hours. Then I'm going to print it, converting to converting number of hours equal to this 2 minutes. 60 into number of hours minutes. That gives us space. Okay. So here I have kept the name meaningful number of hours instead of ABCD. So there are certain conventions, certain rules. This document I'll be sharing sometime this weekend. I'm still updating it. So Python programming coding guidelines. So it talks about use clear variable names, keep functions small, add comments only when needed, follow PP8 style. So what is PP8 style? PP8 style says that PP8 Python style rulebook that there should be four space indentation, snake case for variable name and function. There are certain rules are there so that your code is readable. Others can read your code easily. So certain convention you have to follow. And let's look at variable naming convention. So use lowercase words like total, price, count. Use snake case. This underscore, user underscore name, final underscore amount. So this is called snake case. And you have to start with letter or underscore. So underscore temp is correct one. Age one is correct variable name. But invalid is one age is invalid because we are starting with integer. So this is invalid. Be descriptive and not too long. Max underscore speed, student underscore list. So these are the good variable name. There should not be space in between. First underscore name is correct. First space name is not correct. And reserved keywords you cannot use. These are Python reserved keywords for list, class, etc. Okay, let's go back to the terminal. Run this Python 3 enter number of hours 3. So converting number of hours 3 to minutes 180 minutes. So try this out. Create an account, free account in AWS. Launch EC2 instance. You can Google and in YouTube search how to launch EC2 instance or how to create AWS free account and launch EC2 instance with Ubuntu. How to launch Ubuntu Linux instance in AWS. And always look for some recent videos. Don't look for some 5-year-old YouTube videos. Try to find out videos which are like recently within 1 year it was created. Now let's go to today's uh, concepts. Today we are going to discuss about arithmetic operator. So this you already know like plus, add, minus, subtract, multiply is star, slash, divide, percent is remainder. So percent is remainder. So like 8 divided by 3. Remainder will be 2. Right? And so let's copy this code. I will suggest you type it on your own instead of copying. Uh, add.py. So I'm just copying it because otherwise recording time will be more. Here I kept the variable name AB, but meaningful name will be number underscore 1, number underscore 2. So there are two numbers, right? Instead of AB, that will be the better naming. And let's run this one Python 3 and py. Okay, I need to ask user enter number 1, enter number 2, second number. Enter first number, enter second number. Better I will keep it the first number with the yes. So 12 plus 18, 30. Difference is 12 minus 18 minus 6. So what we are doing, we are asking, we are taking input from the user, and then at explicitly uh, telling that it's an integer number, typecasting it to integer. So in variable A, we are storing the first number, variable B, we are storing the second number. Then we are creating another variable where we are storing A plus B. And there is another variable difference where we are storing A minus B. And then finally printing. So try this out. And your home task will be calculate simple interest using this formula. So here you will be using multiplication. So take three inputs and apply the exact formula. And now we'll go to the concepts of strings and basic string functions. So they are the string functions. Upper is uppercase, lower is lowercase. Strip, it will remove extra white spaces. Split, it will break into words. Replace, it will replace the text. And len, it will count the number of characters. So let's take this code. This one also you should type it out. Here, what we are doing, we are entering a sentence and making it to uppercase, and we are printing length. So let's name this as after. So we are asking user to enter a sentence input, and we are like it's a by default it's a string, so no need to convert. We are putting into this variable sentence, and it will be string. And then we are converting sentence dot upper. There is a function upper function. It will convert it to uppercase. Then we are taking the size of the string. This string. Five. So it converted into uppercase. And length is 17. Length is 17. You can count, it will be 17. Okay. So home task will be like count how many words are there in a sentence. How many words are there in a sentence? Which two string method will you be using? So if I say hello, how are you? So how many words are there? Hello, how are you? So there will be like four, right? And so that you have to count. So what are the string functions you are going to use from here? You can have a look at this. Pick up two because you will be first break into words and then you will be counting the how many words are there. So that's it for today.